In the profound words of Khalil Gibran, your living is determined not so much by what life brings to you as by the attitude you bring to life. Not so much by what happens to you as by the way your mind looks at what happens. These words echo the essence of Gibran's philosophy, and they invite us to delve deeper into the wisdom of his thoughts. Khalil Gibran, a revered poet and philosopher, is renowned for his exploration of themes such as love, life, and spirituality. He believed that life is not about what happens to us, but rather how we perceive what happens. Our attitude, our perspective, can shape our experiences, transforming them from mere events into meaningful moments. Love, in Gibran's view, is not merely an emotion or a bond, but a transformative force. He beautifully expressed this idea when he said, "Let there be spaces in your togetherness, and let the winds of the heavens dance between you." Here he emphasizes the importance of individuality within love and the beauty that can be found in the balance between unity and independence. Gibran's understanding of love extends to the experience of pain and suffering. He once wrote, "Out of suffering have emerged the strongest souls. The most massive characters are seared with scars." This statement underscores his belief that pain is not an end, but a beginning, a catalyst for growth and understanding. This understanding is further emphasized in his words, "Your pain is the breaking of the shell that encloses your understanding." Gibran suggests that suffering is not a punishment, but a gift, a tool for personal and spiritual growth. It is through our struggles that we come to understand the depths of our strength and resilience. And ultimately, Gibran reminds us of the profound depth of love with his words, "And ever has it been known that love knows not its own depth until the hour of separation." Love, according to Gibran, is a force of immeasurable depth and intensity, only truly understood in times of absence or loss. In summary, Khalil Gibran's teachings offer us a profound understanding of love, life, and spirituality. His words remind us that our perception shapes our reality, that love is a transformative force requiring balance, and that suffering can lead to growth and understanding. He highlights the immeasurable depth of love and the invaluable insights gained from experiences of loss. These insights from Khalil Gibran provide a timeless guide, inviting us to explore the depths of our own experiences, to embrace the transformative power of love, the lessons hidden in our pain, and the spiritual growth that can emerge from our struggles. It is a call to perceive life not as it is, but as we are.